Hello guys, I'll be unboxing my tripod. I was gifted a tripod, guys. Look at it now. I was gifted this by someone so special to me, someone so dear to my heart. Thank you so much. In case you're watching this video, I love you. Thank you. So this is it. It's a new tripod, actually. A very new and brand new tripod. Okay, so guys, this is the WT3520. You can use it for camera, your phone. That is what they mean. And it's ideal for traveling. You can use it to travel. It can be folded to 560 millimeter, and it can be extended to 1400 millimeter. It has a carrying case. There's something you can use to carry it. You don't need to just hold the tripod like that. So let's unbox and see what is inside. So guys, let's check what is inside this tripod. I hope people can see this clearly. So it came with this, the carrying case we were talking about. This is it, empty carton. So this is my brand new tripod. I was gifted this tripod and I love it so much. I love it. Thank you so much for supporting me. So this is it. So when you are going out, you don't need to go with the carton. Just go like this. You can see it, so you can carry it like this. It's even double. So this is the carrying case. So let's check what is inside. Okay, this is what we are going to use to hold the phone or the camera. This is the tripod. Please watch this video to the end. Please watch it to the end. So this tripod, you can use it like this, just as it is, like this. So if you are using a table, like you want to sit down, maybe in an office or your house, you want to sit down and do your video, all you need to do is just place it on your table like this. This is the kind of the minimal height. I don't know how to explain it. The way it's looking like this now, you know, if it's short pass like this now, so it is short reach. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is the height, and then you can make it longer if you want. If you don't want to do this sit down and talk, you want to stand and talk, you want them to see you fully. So all you need to do is this. We are going to make it longer now. You understand? We are going to make it longer. So how do we do that? There is something they used to hook it here. So all you need to do is just release that place by opening it and drag and drag. This is it. One is the first one. So there's another one here again. So you open and then you drag. There's another one here again. You open and you drag. So when you finish dragging it, don't just leave it open like this. So this place that you open just now, you have to lock it so that the tripod will stay. Okay, look at something now. Here is not okay, you cannot see it. So you have to lock it so that the tripod will balance. You understand? So you have to lock anywhere that you opened, lock it so that the tripod will balance. It will not, look at, so it's balanced like this. But if I open it now, I don't lock it, it will start doing like this. It will not be stable. I don't know if you get. So you have to lock it in case you're trying like this. That's why I'm doing this video, so that if you want to couple your own, it will not be difficult for you if you want to do it. So the next thing we are going to do, so the way it's looking now, it's actually longer than the way it was before. So this is that length again. So let's say the table you are using is very low, and you can put it on the table, something like this, and you do your video. If this one is still like table size, you understand, but it depends on the kind of table. So this is not the full length. There's another length, in fact extra length. So we are going to be checking it. So you can actually extend this tripod 4 times, 4 good times. So this one is the second one. I did that first one just now. So this one is the second one. Let's do the third one. So the third one is this. There's another lock. There's another lock here. You open, you can see. So after you finish opening, make sure you lock it back like this. There's another lock here again. You open and then you lock it back. There's another lock here again. You open and you lock it back. So guys, look at this. I'm sorry you cannot see the full video. Look at this. I want you people to see this. So guys, I believe you can see it fully like this. So this is how it's looking. You can see it. This is how it's looking. So this is not actually the full length. It can also be extended. This is in our terrain now, the third length. So it can also be extended and be longer than this. So you know, there's something I love about this. Look at this place. They did it in a way that it will be stable on the floor. You understand? So I love it so much. And then let's do the final length. Let's see how it will look. So if you check well, you'll see that there is something here that you can roll. Let's roll it together. Just roll it and it will extend. This is the last height, the last length. This is the last length. Guys, did you see that? So this is the limit it can get to. Let's see the full length now. Guys, take a look at this. This is like almost my height. Oh, almost my height. So this thing you are seeing here is what you can use to rotate it. You understand? You can use it to rotate it backwards and upwards like this. You can bring it up, you can bring it down. So guys, this is it. This is my latest tripod. Oh, I love it. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can fix your phone to it. So remember this thing that came with it. So I think this one, because they say you can use this, say you can use this tripod for your camera, your phone, you understand? So I don't really know the full use of this, but I can fix this and put my phone, you understand? So let me open it. So this is the phone holder. This is what we hold my phone. So I think this one is when you are using camera, normal camera. So I don't really know much about this, but I can work with this. So let's do that together. So we are going to fix this phone holder. We are going to fix it here. We are going to fix it here. Let me bring it closer. Guys, did you see this place? Look at this place. You see this thing here? So this is what we are going to roll here. So we are going to roll it and make it tight. You get? So you are going to make it very tight. So that you can hold your phone. No, make it tight. If it's not tight, the phone can just fall off easily. So just make it tight. So this is it. I just fixed it now. So that is it. We learn every day. So guys, when you are done, we are going to fix the phone here. We are going to fix it here. So I'm actually using my phone for this video, and I don't have an extra phone that I can use to demonstrate this, but I have a pouch, my phone pouch. So let's just use that in place of phone. Let's improvise. So this is my phone pouch. I'm going to fix it here. Let's see. So this is actually the size of my phone, and it's not entering. It's not entry. So all we need to do is to extend this place. There's a way you can loosen it. Just lose it and it will get wider. You understand? So when you see that is almost the size of is already the size of your phone, then all you need to do is just put your phone inside. Guys, watch what I'm doing now. Put your phone. Make sure your phone is stable like this, and then you tighten it again. The reason why you have to tighten it so that your phone will not fall off. You don't want your phone to fall off, so just tighten it, and then you are free to do your video. So the tripod is very good though. Tripod is very good. Your videos, your video going to shake again. So guys, this is it. And you see this thing here? This thing here is what you can use to control it. I think I've said that before. So now that my phone is here like this now, maybe the phone is too upwards, like the phone is up like this. I don't like it like this. I can bring it down. Maybe I want it like this, and I will do my video. You understand? Do my video. I'll say what I want to say. Let's say I want to show you people something up, I'll just do it like this, show you people and bring it down. You can even turn it backwards like this. Look at, did you see that? So this, this particular stuff is what they call portrait, right? This is portrait. Now portrait is for Facebook videos, Facebook reels, Instagram videos, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube shorts. You understand? So that is 9:16. So for YouTube, the normal video for YouTube is what you are watching on my channel now. This size is 16:9. So, and you want to do your YouTube video, all you need to do is just bend it like this, just take it like this, that is all, and you do your video, do your YouTube video like this. Guys, look at my tripod now. Look at my tripod. No, the thing is, this tripod can also go with camera. You can use it for camera, but I don't have a camera, so I would have tried it. I don't have a camera. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Thanks for watching, and thank you to the supporter that supported me with this. Thank you to the person, that the special, wonderful, sweet person that supported me with this. I love you so much and I appreciate it. I love my gifts. Thank you so much, guys. So please, you both should always watch my videos, or always encourage me. When you watch my videos, you like and you comment. It has a way of encouraging me. That is just it. Because I'm not doing this video for myself, I'm doing it because of you. So when you watch it, you are encouraging me. When you comment, you are encouraging me. When you like, you are encouraging me. When you share, you are encouraging me. So keep encouraging me, keep supporting me. I do not take it for granted. I do not. So guys, this is it. So I recommend this tripod for you in case you want to buy. This is a WT3520 camera tripod. You can use it for your phone and your camera. So guys, this is it. It also has this hanger here, but I don't really know the purpose of this hanger yet. I don't really know, but with time I will find out. So guys, thanks for watching. I love you all. So we just celebrated 900 subscribers. Up next, we are going to be celebrating 1K subscribers, and there will be giveaway. There will be giveaway, recharge card giveaway, just to appreciate you people for your support. So you people should be ready. This channel is going to grow. But one thing I will just advise you before I end this video is this: if you have a YouTube channel, don't give up. Just be patient with yourself. Be patient. Don't give up. Because if you give up, what do you gain? Nothing. So don't give up. Just keep doing it. Sometimes YouTube can be very discouraging. That is the truth. It can be very discouraging. But if you know what you want, you have to go for it. So that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.